Hey, hello, everyone. How are you today? My dear listeners, my dear friends, my dear subscribers all around the world, all the Genius FF family. I remain myself Ade Tokunbomai from the Genius FS. I want to show you an evidence to prove the latest strategy works. This is the entry today when we realize that the signal criteria has been met. Okay, here is the chart. Here we realize that around this place market turned back to retest the last line of alligator. Here around this place you don't do anything, you wait and see maybe the crossover will occur finally. But when we realize that the crossover did not occur, market bounced back from inside the line, go back to the uptrend. Okay, that is why we enter the trade from here, and then it's already in our direction. I can tell you that this is a banger. This is our entry here. When we realize that our price action has already left from downtrend to retest, go back to uptrend. That is why we enter the market, and then it's already in our direction, about to reach our target. I use this strategy on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and also on 30 minutes. As far as I'm concerned, we are already in profit. If you can follow this account very well, this account was $1,200 and it has been double and then still moving. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, like I told you the other time, as you can see, this strategy is a trend following strategy. Let me show you from this area. Okay, when the crossover happened from this place, price action cross all the lines. Okay, around here I might take this trade, I might not. Reason is because I will allow all the line to align together from green, black, then the double gold, then the blue. Okay, I might ignore the movement because it's 15 minutes. I might ignore all this movement. And wait for the retest or pullback. So now market came to pullback. All the line has already set. Then we took the entry from this place. That was on Thursday last week. We took the entry. Market, you put a stop loss at the back of this place. This is our stop loss. Then market came to retest and then went back in our direction. As far as I'm concerned, if I were you, I will enter another position from this place. I'm going to enter another position from here. Okay, so what am I saying in essence is that this strategy is very good. Now look at this place. Market came back to retest again and bounce back up. I'm going to enter another position here, okay, and put my stop loss at the back of the line here. As far as I'm concerned, this is also a profit. Then on Friday, this is what happened on Friday. Market came to retest and bounce back up. This is my entry on Friday, and then we catch little movement. And today also, as you can see, market came back from up to retest the last line. Price actually tried to cross, but it didn't cross. Now market came back from here, and then we enter our trade here. Our market continues to go in our direction. As far as I'm concerned, this is a pullback. It will slowly continue to hit our target. I remain myself Ade Tokunbomai from the Genius FS. Keep loving me, keep subscribing, keep liking this page, and share to others. Bye for now.